Githurano kinene gigitanywo gutafanio thikũ 11 ciukite anyiti itemi matiganite githurano-ini giki ni mathiete na mbere kuhinyiriria muingi gwithema na uteti ungiagagia thayo wa bururi ihinda-ini riri. Muthikabu munene kanitha-ini wa Anglican Jackson Ole Sapit riu akiuria aria marahuranira iturwa itiganite ugetikira maumirira ma githurano kana gwetha kihoto kuhitukira njira cia kiwatho.
When the election happens, respect the will of the people of Kenya. When you are defeated, concede defeat. And if you feel aggrieved, we have processes in the justice and judicial system in Kenya. Go to court instead of taking people to the streets for demonstration, because we don't want to see disruption of businesses or disruption of normal life.
Akiaria ari mwena wa Kajiado, Ole Sapit ni ahinyiririe ateti matigakuruhanie bururi utetini utari na kihariro uria ungiharagania utonga wa bururi.
Go to the election day and vote and let us go home. Let us abhor violence in any form and let us keep and maintain peace, because Kenya is ours now, during the election and after the elections.
Umwe wa maria makoretwo makihatiriria muingi ni kwambatira gwa garama ya muturire. Ole Sapit akiuga githagathago kingiyumiria thutha wa githurano no kihinyiririe a Kenya makiria.
We are already disrupted as a nation by COVID-19, the locust earlier in 2020. We are not far away from you know the disruption of the other elections, and I don't think Kenyans need another disruption. The economy is already bad for all of us, the high cost of living. So let us not increase all those turmoils by adding another unnecessary uneasiness in the country.